Hi guys, welcome back to the next video of Python tutorial. In the previous video, we talked about how we can get input from the user and then how we can print the input in the terminal, exactly how we can see here. Now in this video, we will talk about how we can get multiple inputs from the user and then how to store them into a new variable which is of type list. So first of all, we will take multiple inputs from the user. So we'll copy this from here and then paste it here and also paste it here. We will call this name 1 and we will call this name 2 and we will call this name 3. Now you can see that this name is underlined here, and the reason of this being underlined is because the name is not mentioned anywhere in the code. And if I run this code here, it will ask me for the name, then it will run this one and it will ask me for second name. So I'll put JSON and then I'll put Roy. So if I run this, it throws an error saying name is not defined because this name is not anywhere in the code. Now we have name 1, name 2 and name 3. So instead of name, we will put name 1. And now if we run this, it will print name 1. So So now you can see it is displaying the name 1, which was the first name entered by the user. Now the next step we will do is that we will store these three names into a list. So I will call the list as names equals this. Now previously we have learned one data type which was string, which always starts with these quotes. Now we are learning a new data type which is list that always starts with these brackets and ends with this bracket. Now within this string we will put name 1, name 2 and name 3. And here we will put the name of the list which is names, and we will put your names are. So now if I run this code, it will ask me to enter the first name. I'll put Adam. I'll put Jason as second name and Roy as third name. Now if I enter this, okay, it is giving me this name because I'm concatenating these string and this list. So I'll, instead of writing this string in here, I'll just print the list here and I will run this code again. I'll put Jason, Adam, Roy, and you can see that it is displaying the list of the three names entered here. Now in this video we learned a new data type called list, which starts with this bracket and ends with this bracket. And the previous data type we learned was string, which was always starting with quote and ending with quote. Now to further clear this, let's print the type of the data types, which is print. And then if I put type, and then if I copy this message here and put it here, and now if I run this, it will ask me to enter the name here, which is this code. So I'll put the first name, which is Jason, and then I'll put Roy and I'll put Adam. So you see it is printing the elements of the list, and it is also printing as class str, which is for string, because this message was a string data type. Now instead of message here, if I put names here, which is this variable of the list, and if I run this again, it is asking me to enter the name. So if I enter this, you see now it says that this is class list, which means that this is a list data type, because here you can see that we stored a list in the names. Now another thing you can do here is, instead of passing a variable here, you can directly pass a string here. So I'll put a fourth name, which is Wiki, and Now if I run this, it will ask me to write the name. I'll put Roy, Adam, Jason, and then it says Roy, Adam, Jason, and then it also puts Wiki in the list, which is this string that we entered here, and then it prints the name of the class, which is list. Now the question arises here is that is this the efficient way of getting user inputs? The answer is no, because here we are only getting 3 inputs from the user. But what if the user wants to enter 200 names or 300 names? We can't just keep writing name 4 equals this, name 5 equals this, and keep on writing 200 times. So in the next video, we will talk about how we can fix that issue and make this program more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for further updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.